Do you want to create video like this? Then hop into my screen. Let's make the viral video. Go to Source.ai, and there you will find many kind of videos to make. You can see viral sort videos. Now, let's go to the dashboard and click on Go to Dashboard, and you'll get into the dashboard. Now there are different kinds of faceless video idea in popular templates. You can see this. Now we'll select the viral dialogue generator. And here, you can see this is the Dafson, and we have to go to AI script and custom prompt. If you have any custom prompt, then let me type my prompt here. As you can see, I have typed my prompt there. Now, after clicking the Generate button, the A will generate the prompt and the script for our video. Now, after some seconds, it will generate the whole script, and you can see the script is generated, and now we have to click on the after to change. You can see we can change the after from the menu. I'll select this one and another one. Okay, Mario, and click Next. And then you can select different background. Select Next. And from here, you can select capsule style. I'll select my one favorite. Now you have to select the voice
everyone,
here.
Welcome back to the channel. This is
You
the
can
most
see
expressive
some
Always be a
voices.
first-rate version of yourself.
Bonjour, ravi de vous proposer ma voix
Choose the
pour vos
least
narrations et
popular as
voiceovers.
a YouTube
Hello,
will
delighted to offer.
monetize it if the many voices are similar in many channels.
Любовь исцеляет людей, и тех,
Let me
кто
select
дает
one.
ее, и тех, кто ее получает.
Now the video is generating. After generating the video, you can do simply a download and upload. Now the video generation is completing. After the completion, you can just click the download button below or click the create post, and you can do automation of YouTube uploading from here. This is the feature of the Source.ai. Let's see the video now.
Did you know that honey never spoils? Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old.
That's wild. I heard that octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood. How cool is that?
Speaking of cool, did you know that bananas are berries but strawberries aren't?
That's confusing. Also, the shortest war in history lasted just 38 minutes. Can you believe that?
And yet there's a lake in Tanzania that can turn animals to stone. It's called Lake Nitron.
Oh wow, there's also a jellyfish species that's biologically immortal. What an inspiration.
And let's not forget about how wombat poop is cube-shaped. Nature is so creative.
True! Plus, a group of flamingos is called the flamboyants. Perfect name for them.
Now you can make videos from Source.ai. To purchase it, you can just click on the description below and use my link for discount. Okay, thank you guys. See you later.